You know, we see this, and when we see this, we're talking about plantain tart. Guys, this is the well ripe plantain. They're not spoiled, they're just well ripe. Okay? And you see how they're solid? They're still solid and firm. Mr. Thompson gonna break it and look at it. Yes, this is the well ripe plantain. So we're gonna make plantain tart. Remember plantain tart, guys? Yes, we're gonna peel them off and we're gonna make plantain tart. Yes. See them solid and fresh and nice? Look at them pretty. Yes, man. Not because you see the skin is discolored, that's how it should be, well ripe. Yes, Mr. Thompson?
Yeah, man, natural ripe.
Naturally ripe. You see in pieces like when I peel banana? Look at it.
Yeah.
And that's a plantain, yeah? And you can eat it, see that? Just like that. Yes, just like you eat a banana. Yes. And that's how we have it, well ripe. We peel it like that. And what's the process? We peel it, Mr. Thompson, what do? Boil it?
Then we're going to boil it.
Yes.
Then we're going to crush it.
Uh-huh.
Spice it up.
Okay.
Sugar.
Cinnamon powder. Mixed spice, yeah? Vanilla too and so?
Yeah.
And the same, okay. Alright, because the pastry is easy, you know. The pastry is not hard, the pastry is easy. You know, basic. Because all of the things that we use natural is all basic, you know. They're all basic things. Yeah, so.
Yeah, man, so if you have them planted and them feel like they move right, they don't have to throw them away.
Right.
You can use them and make tarts.
Right, you got it. Can you make plantain tarts? Yes, sir. So, as we said, the plantain have to well ripe. As you see how Mr. Thompson peeling, that it is. Yes. And this plantain is the horse plantain or which one the better flavor plantain? Horse plantain.
The ripe one.
Yeah, the ripe one in the basket. Yeah, man. Original native plantain, horse plantain. Or what the next one the name, man? That you remember from what name? We can't remember the name. Maiden plantain. Right. Yes, man. There you go. Beautiful. You see, these plants wasn't right in a box. You know. These plants are ripe just outside on the countertop. Just put them down. Take them away from all the insect or whatever. Gonna bite. Nothing gonna bite or nothing like that because you know that no work when it come on the pastry. You know, we have everything nice and clean and pretty just like what you see what's going on here. Yes? Yes, man. Just like what you see in a Daddy D place. We are doing it pot bottom style. How we are doing it?
Pot bottom style.
Alright. We are doing it pot bottom style. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. It's a giant. So you plant them big, plant the finger them big.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And thing about Daddy, they a farmer too, you know. It's come from Theme Farm, you know. It's come from the boss farm. Yes, right in front of the little, you know, the cottage.
The backyard, yeah.
Alright, right on the farm. You see him? Straight off the farm. Straight off the farm we're doing it. Yeah, angle with care, you know, Daddy D saying that. Daddy say angle with care.
With pride.
And a lot of pride too. This man have a lot of pride in his whatever I do, you know. You know, a lot of love. Whenever I do, that's why things taste so nice. And it's filling because a lot of love come behind it. Yeah? Let you know. Oh, I want them to heat just like that. Yeah, man. Yeah, you can't man. You can't eat them like this, no? Just like when you taste it a while ago.
Eh?
Just like when you eat it a while ago. Some never eat it. And I go out on the road, me just deal with it. Deal with it big time. Yes, man. You say it look, that's how it look. But you say it pretty over there, look at that. That's the product. See it look right here? Yeah man, people say it's spoiled. No, but listen, you know the cool and it ripe like this. Look at it. And then you get that product out of it. Yes man. So where do you slice them like that now? That we cut them in two.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah man, Daddy D boss I'm going to put up this pastry business in us. So guys don't have a look. We're not gonna see this forever, you know, so have a look because the boss decides to put up this pastry thing, you know. Yeah.
Everybody want to learn, you can call and come learn.
And if you're interested to learn this job, to know what this job all about, pastry, making all these, you know, patties, cakes, you know, sugar bun, you know, plantain tart, you know, all different patties, bread pudding, you know,
Potato pudding.
oh, the guy tell you man, potato pudding, bread pudding. Yes, talking about that, you know, let me take you to a look world over here when you have some finished product, what you call it, sugar bun. Let's have a look over there inside this. We have a little shop here, you know. So we have right here, that Daddy D product right here, guys. Sugar bun, with our sweet bread, if you call it that way. Yeah, man. But you know when we are picking a sugar bun, we say, you know, see them there in a showcase. Sugar bun. Yes. Thompson Place. Yes, man. And you know, the next, as we said, we're inside the pastry shop and we're going to take you inside the bowl where the plantain are peeled, yes. And we're going to make what? Plantain tart. Pop them on fire, put on it. Pop them on fire over there, so boil water, drop them inside there with all the little thing, the goodies, and we start them out. Yes, Mr. Thompson, come in. The boiler. Alright? From the boiler, we put in the fridge, get cool. Then, here we go. Now we're going to crush it. Yes? This is the plantain right here. Alright, Mr. Thompson. See that? We are make plantain tart. Give some talk on this, Mr. Thompson.
Okay, we are now crushing the plantain. Alright.
And this is the ripe plantain, the same pretty
that have
plantain.
been boiled.
Alright, good.
Alright.
Alright.
So we had to cool it down a little. And we are now crushing it.
There you go.
So you crush it as smooth as you can.
Right, right. And it look like a turned cornmeal. It look like turned cornmeal, don't it? It gets soft.
Yeah, with no lumps
There you go.
in it.
There you go.
Yeah.
And now we are talking about the original thing, you know, original plantain tart. Yes, Daddy D's. I make original plantain tart for you guys.
Yeah, this is real food. This is no artificial nothing.
It's a real food. Yes. See that? Right. This is the ripe plantain. Yes.
So after we crush at least 50%.
Make sure it mash.
Yes.
Like a mashed potato.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, man. And Daddy D going to show you now how we add the ingredients.
Well, we're gonna put this in this bucket here.
Right? Here we go. Yeah, everything going in that bucket over there, so right? Alright, when you go in that bucket now, see that bucket there? Right. Alright. Come in, Mr. Thompson. You have your bucket and your mixture. Yeah, this is when you put all the ingredients. You put all your atom ingredients, right?
Yes.
Alright. Yes, give Mr. Thompson some. Yes, see that now?
So we have some sugar.
So I'm gonna put some sugar in that. Yeah man, put your sugar. Right. Good.
And a little vanilla.
So I'm gonna put some vanilla in that. Alright. Alright. Good. Yes. Yes. Remember you have the food coloring already, the food coloring in there already, so we're good. You see it come red? That's the food coloring you put inside. It come red.
Some mixed spice.
And you have mixed spice like that now. Alright. Mixed spice. Yeah, man. The cinnamon powder and nutmeg.
Yes.
And you have your pincher.
A pinch of salt.
Pinch of salt. Alright.
And a little secret.
Secret ingredients.
Yes.
Secret. We're not going to tell you. But this is the Daddy D's from the Pat Bottom place. Alright.
And then the color is already here.
Alright. And the coloring, food coloring is already inside.
So we
See it? Alright. No chef give you a main in secret ingredients. No chef. So if you want the secret ingredients, come see us at Pat Bottom and we'll tell you how it is, right?
yeah.
How it is, Mr. Thompson?
Good.
Tastes good. Here you go. Right there. That is the plantain tart mixer right here. Yeah?
Check it out.
From Daddy D Kitchen. Yes, man. Daddy D place. Pat Bottom style. We have plantain tart. When we talk about original, this is the man. This is the man right here. Yes, we inside the baker shop, you know, so, you know, I smell everything just mash in my brain, the gizzard in the oven. Sometimes if you check a gizzard out, I smell it strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, check it out. Well, that product, look at that product. You see that product, guys? Plantain tart. It go right here. That's where everything turned. That was the filling for the plantain tart. Alright, so the next move we're going to do the dough. Alright, here we go. You remember the dough we set? Is that different dough we're making, Mr. Thompson?
Yeah.
Okay, we're making a different dough now. Alright, let's see what Mr. Thompson have up in his sleeve. Oh Lord, see when you come up with that? That's about 3 pounds of the counter flour right there. You can see from a distance. Yes. Put it on the scale. Okay. It's about 3 pounds, Mr. Thompson. Yeah, man. 3 pounds of the counter flour. Alright. Alright, here we go. Alright. And we have the butter, how much pound of butter? Half pound each. So we have 1 pound of thing.
1 pound of fat.
1 pound of fat, I go with that now. We have 1 pound of fat, half pound of butter, half pound of shortening. Yeah? So this is a different type of setting now. Now we're going to chop it inside. Look at it, look at him chop it. You see him chop it? Yes. There's a different dough, come with a different flavor, different flake, different texture. So this one we cut it in. Cut it up and then we diff it. Yes. Pat Bottom. Yes, sir. Alright. All of you at home just want to make a little thing. A small little project for the kids. You know the kids are out of school and you know the money part go with the snack and all that. We'll show you how the thing do right on your countertop. Yeah? Right on your countertop. A pound of flour, half a little 2 scoops of shortening, 2 tablespoons of shortening. You know, we combine them together, chop them like that. And you know you make the filling already, right? So we're going to do the finger work now. The tip of the finger going to work with this now. This cross here now, right here. Right. This now in the culinary terms we say diff. We diff the flour. When I used to go to school they said they would diff the flour like that. Lift it 6 inches off the ground, let the hair go through it. So you get a flaky thing. Here we go. Now it becomes flaky and nice. Yes? Alright, but Mr. Thompson now have to incorporate that butter inside. And look how I'm diffing it now. You might diff it now. Look it's like yeah. Now the ear pass through the flour. So you get that crust, you know, that nice crust we're looking for.
Salt.
And the time we're gonna add the salt on that now, yeah? So in this amount of flour that we have here, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons. Or 3 teaspoons, right, Mr. Thompson? Alright. Because we don't want to get the thing too salty, you know, because we cook for everybody, you know. Everybody have to enjoy the food. Yes. Right, that's what the thing there, you see it? Alright, so you make a look out. You see a little descent they make there, so now? Alright. Yes. So this one we use ice water. Yes. We use ice water. Go in the fridge. You take out your lifespan. Right? Mr. Thompson use a lifespan. Don't worry about the thing. Lifespan, Mr. Thompson. You see that? I'll show you. See that? Lifespan. Lifespan water and use. So you know it thing go. Yes. We can so we now give good product.
Egg yellow powder.
Egg yellow powder. Just to give that little color there.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, yes, there you go.
Make it white. I love it with
change it up. Change up the color a little bit.
Yeah, tint it.
Yes, give it a little tint. Yes. Egg yellow. Egg yellow color, right, there you go. Right. Is the same color used on the patty dough, right? Beautiful.
With some color richer than some, you know?
There you go, there you go. Deep on the base and the brand, you have a different, you know, looks and shade. Yes, man. Put it all together. Look at it, guys. Make a whole lot of sense right here. Yeah, man. You tell the man at the moment. See me right there? Yes. What the reason? Let them know. What the reason for the cold water? Let them know. What the reason for the cold water, Mr. Thompson?
Okay, because of the fat.
Right.
The cold water helps keep the fat firm.
Oh.
Whenever the dough becomes too soft.
Or whenever you put the regular water, you put the cold water, say keep the dough firm. Ah, look at that. There is a big difference. When you make bread, now you use warm water, right?
Yeah.
To dissolve the yeast. There you go. Activate the yeast. It's a natural cold water, guys. Ice in the bottle and all that. Yeah, man. Alright. Put them together. Yeah. Daddy did work, you know. As we say. The boss is at work. The man with the goodies. You know, the pan with the bicycle, you know, if you remember them days. When you go down at the restaurant, you see the showcase. Alright, see that? But you might say I'm going to put up the work, you know, but guess what happened? This work is so intimidating, sometimes you see it and you just want to get involved. Yeah, that's how the work is, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, it's firm, you see it look firm? Yeah. Alright, let's sit down. You know, cut it up now in the portion, there you go. Amazing, alright, that go aside. So the boss will work with this piece right here. Alright.
We can do it 2 ways. We can cut it in cubes
right.
and roll them out individually.
Individually, right.
We can just roll it in a bulk and cut it out.
Alright, so you're going to roll it in a bulk?
Yeah, you find what kind of
Alright. Alright. Dust the countertop. Alright. Alright, you take that. This is the dough firm, guys. Yes. Firm, solid dough. Look at it now. Yes. As we say, the man traveling with this piece of steel almost 40 years now. One piece of steel. See that? You don't talk about rolling pin. See that? Yes, man. 40, 50 years this man. No, so I mean, that's a 40 years the man having steel. That's the magic right there. So, no bleach you can't bleach the boy piece of wood him have there. No. Yeah, you have no pitch point and you have no, nothing like that. You have a steel, titanium. Yes, if you mess around, it knock you out with it too. Right. So now what I try like you want, come mess around, that it is. In the kitchen. Steel, you hear it? Right. It's a titanium, almost 40 years. So it's a steel, you see it shine? That dark color it I give? Right. It means it's been around a long time. Alright. Yeah, man. So we'll get back to you now when the cutting start, alright? Now, here we go. This is how we fill them out, okay? This is plantain tarts filling. Yes. How many ounces, Mr. Thompson, you have for that now? About 3 ounce, 4 ounce?
Each in each?
Yes.
About 2 ounce.
2 ounce.
2 to 3.
2 to 3 ounce.
Of course, 1 tablespoon.
Yes, 2 to 3 ounce of the mixture there. Pot butter.
Yes. Well, it depends on what size you need it.
This is business wise, you know, so you know, do it film way. And the business wise, you know, is a different from when we do a yard and we want to hold it in it. But the boss of the business, so you know, based on the business, cause you open this is that it is. That it is deal with the thing for everybody. Yes?
Yeah.
So when you deal with things for everybody, you have to watch how you put the ingredients. Everybody can pay for it. Understand? Alright.
Buy a whole one, sell it half hour.
The bar says if you can't get a whole one, you get a half of the plantain tart.
Yeah, I do large, mini, and cocktails.
Okay, large, mini and cocktails. Yeah, cocktails go right down to finger food, right?
Yeah.
There you go. So that it is again. Yeah man, this is the yes. This is the plantain tart right here. Yes, Mr. Thompson. So use the fork on the other that or no? Yes, just like how you do the patty originally. Okay. So we're gonna go around the edges now with the roller. See the roller now? Alright.
You want to this side so when we need it.
Alright. See? In that. See? There you go. See him look pretty? Decoration cutter. Yes. Right, that's over there. Right. All right. Here we go. Then you got that's a seal them seal. You seal it. That's what that is. You seal them right there.
Yeah.
All right. Then we're gonna decorate the edges. That's what a sealer right there with the cutter.
Yeah.
So right now, Mr. Thompson, we're gonna decorate the edges. There you go, with the fork. Regular dinner fork, guys. You just take it and then you clean the edge. Look at that. All right, there you go. There you have it, right there. And as we say, this is plantain tart, you know, plantain tart from Daddy D Place, pot bottom style. Or when we say pot bottom style, we mean original. Okay? Authentic. Yes? Plantain tart. Right from the place. Daddy D Place. Pot bottom style kitchen. Yes? See there? Plantain tart we have. Yes, man. There you go. So, Mr. Thompson, are you original this thing, this plantain tart business?
No.
No. So, how we come by this plantain tart thing?
When alright, 19.
Oh, yes, we're going back. Back to years, yes.
1982.
The boss said 1982.
Yeah, when I don't know. Yeah, I come from country.
Yeah.
I go back a country, basically.
The boss said go back a country, yes.
Yeah. So, I spent 2 years.
Which country that is?
A place them called Medstan.
Medstan, that's in Portland, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay, Medstan. Go in Mount Pleasant and go.
A pioneer farm. The government did a cooperative farm.
At a Michael Days?
Yes, the Michael Days.
At a pioneer farm?
Yeah.
Okay, alright.
1979.
1979, we are bringing it back in the people.
So, we did end up on a farm there.
Okay.
We live in a cooperative, we live in a community building.
Community building, community development.
You know what I mean? Yeah. So we did really define a program there. Well, it never did really work out. So 1982,
It never work out for you, or it never work out
It never worked out.
island-wide?
The government, the government did lose the election 1980.
Oh, okay, cool. Oh, so everything it crashed.
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay, it work up to a time and then everything.
Yes, government decided them not.
New administration and deal with that.
Not deal with that. So
Okay.
you them kind of, you know, get fight and
Run left it.
yeah, basic.
Okay.
So after me come up to the town there, we had a good work.
Mm-hmm.
We had a job with our lady name is Edwards.
Mm-hmm.
Pacific Center Plaza, that's Florence Edwards' mother.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Miss Eddie.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess I'm going to and I learned to make plantain tarts. Plantain was her specialty.
Okay, that Miss Edwards.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
And that's she where they learned it from.
Mm-hmm. Plantain tart business.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so here we have it, guys. That's where we have the plantain tart from Miss Edwards' place. Because I don't go nowhere in Jamaica and see plantain tart apart from Portland, to be honest with you. I don't know if you guys out there make plantain tart. If you do, send it on like you see what's going on. Because over this side, Daddy D's make plantain tart. And he was taught by Miss Edwards.
I don't remember her first. Yeah.
Okay, Miss Edwards, if you are around, or you probably passed. Miss Edwards passed and gone. Was Edwards family coming plantain tart coming from you guys. Okay? Remember. Mm-hmm. So these yeah, gravitate to it. Uh-huh. So Daddy D, now we know about plantain tart. I don't know if any part in Jamaica, if guys you make plantain tart, but in Portland Daddy D place we make plantain tart. And now the plantain tart is going on the tin sheet. Yes? You're gonna make one full tin sheet here, you're gonna make that amount.
Yeah, make one full sheet.
One full tin sheet. And that's how you go right here. We're gonna full this tin sheet. That will take about a dozen and a half.
Yeah, basic.
Yeah? Okay. A dozen and a half. So we have quite a little more time to go on that. Okay, so here we have it. That was the plantain tart. Yeah.
Come back.
In a nutshell. Alright. Okay, we're back again. This is the complete tray we got here. Complete tray with your plantain tart. Yes, plantain tart. Mm-hmm. So now we're going to wash them. Remember, inside Pat Bottom Kitchen, Daddy D place, we does not use egg on a regular basis like that. Okay, because not everybody have bread. So we make our sugar glaze with a little water and we put over it. Right, Mr. Thompson?
Yeah, man.
Alright. So here we go. So we're gonna, these gonna go in the oven. Oven 350 degree.
Yeah.
How much? 30 minutes?
Approximately.
Approximately 30 minutes. 350 degree. And 30 minutes after we put the wash. We're gonna punch at the top, so no?
Yeah, man.
Or we're gonna put a hole in the top.
Sugar on him.
Yes. And we're gonna throw a little sugar on them. The granulated sugar or brown sugar?
Me use brown sugar.
Brown sugar. See?
Yeah.
Everything from the cane. Doing everything from the cane, boys and girls. So we're gonna use, after we do this now, we put a little brown sugar on them. Yes, they come out them golden brown and pretty. You'll see the finished product, so you stay tuned for all of that. Okay, you see exactly what's going on. So this is what happens, you know, when we take time out and prepare our own food. Yes, Mr. Thompson, man, Daddy D's plantain tart. Yes, plantain tarts, people, plantain tarts. What we do now, we get some brown sugar. And look at that. Look at the basket. Alright. That's the brown sugar right over it right there. Well, when we say this is how we make, I don't know if plantain tart anywhere in the island, over the island, but in Portland we make plantain tart. And this is the original. Yes, plantain tart. Yes, that's the thing. Cane sugar over that. Then we're gonna punch right now. We're gonna give it the ear. Alright. So it's a different thing now. Now this one we use scissors, right? Clip it. Look at it. 2 clips. All right. Mm. And the reason for this, the scissors, is because the dough is a bit heavy. Remember, guys, the dough is a bit heavy, so the hair don't go through as frequent as as the regular type of dough. The mixture is a bit heavy. So 350-degree, and we get inside the oven. And there it is, oven close. And as we said, if you like what you see, and if you like it, and you want to feel it, we say every time you got to touch that pot bottom kitchen, and we have it all covered. And touch that button. If you want to feel, you got to touch it, that button, and ring that bell, and we will by your doorstep in a minute. Okay? So here we have it, plantain tart. We'll be back with you with the finishing touch. Pot bottom kitchen, Daddy D's. Yes, Mr. Thompson, Daddy D's. Yes, man. Alrighty, righty. Okay. Now, this is the final product of the plantain tart. Get in the oven after 30 minutes. And here we go. This is what we have. This is what we have here now. This is the plantain tart. Ready to go. Ready to fix up your face. Here we go. We have plantain tart. Yeah, man. Plantain tart ready. Yes, only 30 minutes and we're ready to go. And here we go. As we said, we are in Daddy D place. Yes, and Daddy D making the original stuff. All the original, plantain tart. It look like patty, don't? But this is plantain tart. And here we go, Mr.
Crispy
Thompson. Yeah, man.
and good.
Right out of the place.
Ow!
Mr. Thompson, that one is hot, man.
Out!
Look at
There you go, man.
Steaming, eh? Check it out, man. Taste it, let me see. And tell me how it tastes. Too hot. Yes, that's how it go. Yes, Mr. Thompson say too hot. Blow him, Mr. Thompson. Blow him, make it cooler, man. Yes. Yeah, man. Plantain tart. Look how pretty it is. Look at it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, what a flavor, man. That smell. Oh, my word. Yes, man. So here we go, plantain tart. If you like it, you got to touch it, And when you touch the thing, yes, subscribe and touch that bell. And, go bang, bang again. And, we're by your doorstep with all the videos, all the comments. We really appreciate it, guys. As we say again, Pot Bottom Kitchen and Daddy D Place. We say we're taking you from scratch. We're taking it from where the thing all started. And this thing all started right in this man's kitchen here. Mr. Thompson kitchen, Daddy D's. If you remember Daddy D's, here we're taking it to you again. That is plantain tarts. I don't know if you have it in your place, but here we go. We have it in Portland. Daddy D Place. And as we said, subscribe. Touch that button. And, we're here for you on the next video. Daddy D Kitchen, Daddy D Place. Invite us down in your place and we take care of it. Pot Bottom Kitchen. We do everything. We just call us up. Give us tell me what's going on for you, and we'll come and see you. We'll come and see you in your kitchen. All right. Next video.
Pot bottom.
Right. What you said, Daddy D?
Original Daddy D.
All right. And Pot Bottom Place. All right. Thank you, Mr. Thompson.
You're welcome.
It was a pleasure to to be by your place today, and it's all happening. From the way we know it until now. Mr. Thompson, he might have looked beady still now, but guess what happened? I the same man. I the same man, brother. Same man, alright? Yes, Mr. Thompson, we come and see you again. We come and talk to you again on the next video. Whatever you have, just call us up, man, and we showcase your thing again, and the world again. Is at your finger, at your doorstep again.
Look out for this.
Alright. Look out for the mackerel. Look out for what?
building down there.
Alright, Daddy D, listen now. We have bed and breakfast at Daddy D place. So in the morning you get up, you're gonna have a cup of chocolate tea and a plantain tart. Bed and breakfast coming soon to you. We're gonna showcase our Daddy D bread and breakfast, okay? So stay tuned. We'll be taking you to another level. Alright? As we say, Pat Bottom Kitchen, bed and breakfast coming soon at Daddy D's place, alright? So you know that you're gonna make your breakfast, you're gonna get plantain tart, you're gonna get gizzarda, you're gonna get muffin, you're gonna get sugar bun, you're gonna get potato pudding for breakfast, cinnamon rolls for breakfast, anything when you're booking at Daddy D's place. You ain't gotta go far to get your breakfast. Bed and breakfast, Daddy D's place, alright? So you will see the video on that when we go over by Daddy D's apartment and decide to showcase what's happening, alright? Let's see you. Come on talk to us. At Pat Bottom Kitchen, and we show we showcase the best of you. Believe me, whatever you have, we showcase it. Trust me, whatever you have to offer, we take it to the younger folks. And as we say, there you go, Plantain Tart. We'll talk to you soon. Sir Thompson?
Yes.
Thank you again.
Alright?
Enough respect. And to the world, Snolly, you don't know, we out there. Alright? Talk to you soon. Pat Bottom Kitchen. We're out.